So we are here today at the Cita Center, which is a little away from Yongo Center, which is the gay. But here there is also a lot of things for gays and also for straight people. But Cita Center is famous for this. They have an amazing sculpture garden of pop art. And also on top of the roofs you will find things that remind you for every country. Most of them Berliner Gate or Big Ben. So here we are at Café Vienna. It's a nice cafe here in Cita Center. New, it's good. It's amazing. The juice is good. It looks cute and quaint. So this is Café Vienna. It's a very lovely place here in the Cita Center. And we will show you a little around in the Cita Center and also this cafe. This is wonderful cups of coffee with good frozen drink. You can also get German or Austrian breakfast. Yeah, it's all in all amazing. Cakes and ice cream as well.
Hello.